Director Vishal Pandya, who gave us the hit erotic thrillers like Hate Story 2 and Hate Story 3, is now back with another erotic thriller, Wajah Tum Ho. Its trailer was launched at an event in Mumbai on Friday in the presence of the entire star cast, Sana Khan, Sharman Joshi, Gurmeet Chaudhary and Ratnesh Tuggal, along with director Vishal Pandya. Here, the entire cast spoke about the film and the experience of working with each other. Check out some of the best moments from the trailer launch event here.
Well, it's taken quite long to reach here, and I'm very, very grateful to Vishal and T Series for believing in me, especially when you lose the belief in yourself. I think that's very, very important to give me back the confidence that I lost somewhere. And I'm very excited. As you can see, I've given my heart and soul to Wajah Tum Ho. And definitely, the way the responses are coming, that will be my reason. Like, it will definitely be something that I'm going to cherish all my life for sure.
Full credit to Vishal and Bhushan, for again having the foresight and having the belief in their script, their belief in the actor that he'll be able to pull off something that I've never done before, like you mentioned. A cop is not someone, a character that people generally see in me. By virtue of the perceptions I've created by the characters I've played. But this particular role that Vishal wrote for me, he had promised me in Hate Story 3 that now the next film that I make, I'm going to give you a role that you'll really thank me for.
राम के बाद अगर कुछ अलग करने जा रहा हूँ वो मैं विशाल को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा, टी सीरीज को थैंक्स कहना चाहूँगा कि जो जिस कंटेंट को हम कर रहे हैं, जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं, आई एम श्योर आप सबको बहुत पसंद आएगा.
Superb. I think firstly, again, I'd like to thank Vishal for this because I've never played a negative role before, and this is a very, very grey zone for me. Positive, sweet, good-looking, वो boy next door.
शादी कर ले तुझसे.
हाँ, मतलब ऐसा वाला, वो Raymond's वाला feel आ रहा है.
हाँ जी.
तो with this role, I think this was purely Vishal's vision, and he said कि listen to it, and if you like it, then I'd like you to come into it. And I loved it when I heard the script, when I heard my role. And purely this is Vishal's thing that I got into it, and thank you so much, sir.
Wajah Tum Ho, produced by Bhushan Kumar and directed by Vishal Pandya, is slated to release on December 2nd.